Oh, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Now today we have the Tozo Crystal Pods. Now these things look cool and they sound good. So let's break down everything these have to offer. So let's get right into the video. Now, the most important thing about any product is the price. So when it comes down to the price for the Tozo Crystal Pods, you're gonna be looking at $40. Now that's the regular price. Now, when I was getting this video ready, I looked at Amazon to see what the price was on there. I seen it on sale for 20 bucks. So now we know there's a chance that these can go on sale. So whenever you watch this video, click the link down in the description below and see what price it is. And when you guys do click that link, I get a little bit of commission for sending over there. It makes Amazon have to pay me. Now, there is 4 different color options for these. You can get these white ones. You got black, and you have pink and blue. So those are the different color options you have for them, and they look really cool and really nice. I do like the design of the transparent case, but let's get into the look and all that right now. So the design is really cool. You got the transparent case here, and they just really stick out and pop. Now, right when I took them out of the box, I was like, yo, those are clean as heck. So I did like these a lot just by the first look. This is probably one of the best first looks I had of a pair of earbuds. I love them. So there is those different color options like I told you. So the bottom will basically be the color, the different color option in the earbud itself. But these all whites look, really clean. So I did like that on these ones. So when it comes to the earbud itself, I do like the design of the earbud. It does have a little transparent look on the inside there. Also, and a little bit on the outside, and then you get this Tozo lettering there as well. The stem is not too long on this earbud, so when it sits in your ear, it's not going to be sticking all the way out, which is good. So I do like this, man. This is a really clean earbud that Tozo made with these. I hope they keep this Crystal Pod line going, and just I think this is one of their best looking earbuds that they have, honestly. I think it's one of the best looking earbuds I've just seen, period. Like I said, these look just in general, they look really cool. When it came to the comfort of these, it's just the same comfort that we expect from any in-ear earbud. It was really soft with the ear tips here. And then the design is more of like an AirPod design on the outside with the ear tip there. So it just fit really good for my ear style. I like ones with stems. I'm not really into the stud earbuds because they always fall on my ears. I really like earbuds with stems. So I really did like these, and the comfort was perfect for me. So when it comes to the battery life of these earbuds, you're gonna be looking at 35 hours total with this, with the case, charging up the earbud and all that. So you're gonna have all day listening. So when you're out and about and you grab these, I got a full day listening no matter what with these. Now, when it comes to the earbud itself, off of a single charge, when you use them, they're saying up to 7 hours of listening. Of course, that depends on max volume. If you're listening on max volume with songs with a lot of bass, it's gonna drain the battery a little bit quicker, but that's why we're saying up to 7 hours out of this. And then once it dies, just throw it on the case, let it charge up, and then do it all over again. So you will be covered for the full day when it comes to the battery life. So when it comes to the waterproof level of these Crystal Pods, as you see here, it's going to be IPX5, which is like somewhere right here. It's IPX5. That means you're going to be covered with rain. If you're in a state or a country where it rains a lot, this is definitely going to be a pair of earbuds that you're going to be covered with. And sweating when you're working out, going on jogs, any of that stuff, or it's just hot out like it is out here in Cali, you're going to be covered with the sweat as well with the IPX5. I do want to shout out the noise canceling on these. The noise canceling was pretty darn good. I like the noise canceling on them. So if you want some noise canceling earbuds, these are definitely going to do the job. You're going to get a nice fit with the right ear tip in there. It's going to plug that up, and then that noise canceling kicks in and just puts you in your own world. So if you're trying to get these for transportation, public transportation, you're not trying to hear everyone, and also if you want to work out at the gym, want to block everyone out, these are going to get the job done for you. All right, so right when you open the app here, you're gonna see your battery life of your earbuds, the left and the right one. And you have 6 different noise canceling modes is what you're gonna see here. You do gotta click remember my settings, so it always just opens up with that one when you use them. There is a custom one there where you can customize the level of the noise cancellation you want on there, which is really cool because I know that Sony does that, and I think they're one of the only ones that I've seen with the noise canceling leveler. So that's really good. You do have an EQ here, so if you want to do your EQ, there is a lot of presets here. As we're scrolling through, you see a lot of them there, which is really good, so you don't have to make your own. Mine is on the standard one, or I had a custom EQ one that I was messing around with. And you can just boost up whatever you want on here and boost it whatever you think is better for you or anything. Honestly, I thought they sounded really good out of the box, so I won't be doing none of this stuff on mine. So let me exit out here, and then we'll go to bass boost and we'll click standard again so it can go back to regular. I feel like they were really good out of the box. All right, so when it comes to the sound of these, we talked about everything else. How do they sound? They sound really good, especially for the price you're paying. If you get these for 20 bucks, that's definitely a steal. I love the bass on these. I'm a bass lover, so all my bass lovers, these are definitely the budget earbuds you want to look at. You get a nice low rumble in there, and for my EDM fans, that little kick drum, that nice kick, you're going to really hear that too. It has a nice thump to it. So the bass is going to be covered on these, and then when it comes to the mids and the highs, so the vocals and the instruments, they sound really clean as well. Everything works really good with these pair of earbuds. I think Tozo really nailed it with these ones. These might be my new favorite pair of budget earbuds, and these are definitely my favorite pair of Tozo earbuds. I know there's going to be some other ones out there, but for the price you're paying and what you're getting out of these and the design of these, it's unbeatable to me. But yeah, so it sounds really good. The clarity is there, and then just the nice bass there. One thing I do like that Tozo does, even though with the noise canceling, they still have a loud volume on there, and it gives you the option to bring it down yourself. What a lot of companies are doing is since it's noise canceling, they're capping out the max volume. And for like volume freaks like me, like that love loud music, it kind of sucks, and we just got to get used to this new world they're in. I know they're trying to protect our ears, but I also, want to play stuff loud. So I get it. I know what they're doing. Like, we're already blocking out the world. We're not trying to hurt your ears. I get it, but I like that Tozo's still giving us great noise canceling, but letting us choose the volume options because the level is pretty high on these as well with the max volume. So all around, I really do like the sound quality. I love the bass, and I love the max volume on these. So all around, good, good, good. But there you have it, buds. That is the Tozo Crystal Pods. If you want a great pair of budget earbuds that look really cool, the case is cool, the earbud looks cool, these are ones you definitely want to check out. If you like bass and you don't want to break the bank for those higher, $200 and something earbuds, you can get some nice bass for $40, and if on sale, like right now when I seen it, $20. You can get these and have great bass earbuds, especially that low end rumble. Really, really good. And then it's just nice clarity, and it's going to be good for podcasts and stuff. All around, just what you're going to get for the price, especially if you can get it for 20 bucks, it is great. I really do like it in that range. I like it for 40 bucks too, don't get me wrong. 40 bucks is still really good, but 20 for these is great. And Tozo's really good at having their products on sale all the time. I think Tozo is one of the better quality budget brands out there. Not a lot of people can't afford all this expensive crap that is out there that comes out every, couple months. But, with Tozo, you're gonna be able to get some great products and great sounding earbuds and stuff for a budget price. And this is definitely something I really like. These Crystal Pods are fire. All right, buds, so there you have it. I put the link down in the description below so you guys can check these out and check out the different colors as well. And if you guys like this video, there will be some more right here on the screen somewhere. And don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I'll see all of you in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. You guys taking the time to watch this video and watching all the way to the end to hear me thank you. So thank you again. I'll see all of you in my next one. Everyone be safe out there. Peace.